There are plenty of gaming monitors you can choose from if you're on a tight budget. You'll still be happy with the performance of most low-cost gaming monitors, including some cheap models. In this video, you'll find our recommendations for the best budget and cheap gaming monitors. And for more information, the products we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Let's dive into our selection of the best. Rounding off our list, the fifth position. The BenQ MOBIUZ EX2510S is a 24.5-inch monitor with a full HD resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate, featuring an IPS panel. It's mounted on a stand akin to the MOBIUZ EX3405R, which may not appeal to all gamers. Known for prioritizing performance over design, BenQ maintains this tradition, with a single orange stripe on the triangular plastic base, adding a touch of gaming flair. However, the stand lacks stability. Its mediocre picture quality and low brightness undermine its HDR rating, making it less suitable for content creation and general viewing. While the monitor excels in fast-paced gaming, it falls short for other uses. Next, if you're mining for a cheap gaming monitor worth buying, the affordably priced ViewSonic Omni VX2728J2K will be a breath of fresh air. This monitor, offering QHD display, sports up to a 180Hz refresh rate, a rated 0.5 minutes response time, and AMD FreeSync premium technology to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering. Built around an IPS panel, it delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, ensuring an immersive visual experience. The monitor's sleek design is complemented by a robust stand, providing stability and ergonomic flexibility. Despite its gaming prowess with smooth motion and minimal input lag, it shines equally in content creation and productivity tasks due to its crisp image quality. The monitor's versatility is slightly marred by its modest HDR performance, but its overall picture clarity and rich feature set make it a compelling option for those seeking a balanced monitor for work and play. Securing the third spot is the AOC C32G2, is a 32-inch curved gaming monitor featuring a full HD resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate, designed to deliver an immersive gaming experience. Its VA panel provides deep blacks and good contrast, enhancing game visuals, though it lacks the vibrant color accuracy of IPS panels. The 1500R curvature wraps the display around your field of view, intensifying immersion in fast-paced games. With FreeSync Premium, it minimizes screen tearing and input lag, making for smooth gameplay. The stand offers height adjustment, ensuring ergonomic comfort, but the overall build is somewhat bulky. While its large size and refresh rate are impressive for gaming, the lower resolution may not be ideal for detailed work or content creation. Nonetheless, it's a budget-friendly choice for dedicated gamers. Coming in at number 2 is the Dell S2722DGM, is just a great all-around pick as the top gaming monitor thanks to its excellent image quality, plentiful features, and typical solid build quality. At the heart of this display is a 2560x1440 resolution, curved VA panel that supports both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync at up to 165Hz. The monitor delivers an enviable contrast ratio thanks to its 1500R curved VA panel. While the IPS competition often struggles to break much past 1001, the S2722DGM's VA panels shot to 4209.1 in our tests. The display also reproduced 122% of the sRGB color gamut and 85% of the DCI-P3 gamut on our tests, along with an incredibly accurate gamut error rate of 2.07 DE. For anyone looking for an excellent gaming monitor that won't break the bank, it's hard to argue against this Dell monitor. Finally, the top spot on our list is the asus ROG Strix 27 XG27ACS, impresses as a compelling choice in the budget gaming monitor category. With its 27-inch QHD display featuring a 170Hz refresh rate and 1 ms response time, it delivers smooth, responsive gameplay ideal for fast-paced action. The monitor's adaptive sync technology ensures tear-free visuals, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Its IPS panel offers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, making it suitable for both gaming and multimedia consumption. The design is sleek and gamer-centric, with customizable RGB lighting adding a touch of flair to your setup. Connectivity options include DisplayPort 1.2 and HDMI 2.0, ensuring compatibility with a variety of devices. Overall, the asus ROG Strix XG27ACS stands out for its blend of performance, features, and affordability, making it a solid choice for gamers looking to upgrade their setup without breaking the bank. In conclusion, these top 5 monitor will completely reinvent your gaming setup and performance of most low-cost monitors within budget option. If you enjoy this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest tech review. See you again. Peace out.